Hey, what's up guys? For a long time I've been looking for front and rear stand for my Ducati Panigale V2. I mean, you can actually use this for Panigales, V2, V4. You can even use this for Street Fighter Ducatis as well. The major problem that I had that I couldn't find the rear stand is because for this specific motorcycle I need a pin to go through your wheel. So this pin is 40.7 millimeter. If you're looking for it, I'm gonna put the link in the description so you can find it easily. I got this from motorbike website. So the pin goes through it and you just push it and lift up the motorcycle. But if you need to do like more service, or like you're trying to wash your motorcycle, or you just want to keep it on stand, most of the time you need a front stand as well. There are three different type of stands. This is my favorite, and if you're trying to do any like shock or like fork service, there are some jacks or stands that goes through the middle and lift up the whole thing. But if you need to use the front stand, you have to make sure you have the rear stand. This doesn't work without the rear stand. You need them both because it gives more stability to your motorcycle. And how this works, it goes right over here. See? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I don't know why it was so hard and it was so challenging to find stands for this specific motorcycle, but I finally found it, and I want to help other people to be able to find their stand that they're looking for, especially for super sport motorcycles. Thank you so much. Make sure like and subscribe. If you have any question, comment below. I'm gonna make sure to put the link for these two stands on the description.